Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo is the #1 AI agent that helps you find strategies, powered by some of the best trading indicators and used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their premium indicators in the past on my channel, so go ahead and check out those videos. But right now, if you sign up to LuxAlgo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 20% off their premium indicators. Keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out LuxAlgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're at over 9,000 members in here, so thank you to everyone that's joined our Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So today we have some pretty big news for options traders. Robinhood just keeps coming out with cool new features for options traders, and I think this specific feature that we will cover here today can be very powerful and very useful in certain situations. So let's start right here with NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. So this is just a regular stock. And if we want to trade options on NVIDIA, we can go into the options here. So we can click on this button that says trade NVIDIA options. So let's click on it. And this will take us to all the available options for NVIDIA. Now, if we want to take a look at all the different expiration dates, we can click on this little box right here. And so this shows us all the available expiration dates. One quick note, you can see NVIDIA now has options expiring every other day. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we recently talked about this. So you can come in here, you can trade options on NVIDIA Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now, when we talk about the expiration date here and options expiring, what do we mean? So let's say we are on this expiration date here, February 4th. So what does that mean that it expires on February 4th? So it means that on this date that we've selected, February 4th, at 3 p.m. Central Time, when the market closes, trading on these options will also stop. So at that time, you cannot buy or sell these options, and that's when the option practically expires. So at 3 p.m. Central Time on the date that we selected here. Now, if you aren't aware, Robinhood released a feature a while back called late close option. So you can actually come in here and you can type in late close options. And so notice under list here, there's this late close options button here that you can click. So if we click on this, take a look. So explore ETFs and ETNs with options that trade until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time or 3:15 p.m. Central Time. An extra 15 minutes after markets close. So what this means here is that this list, which has 57 items in here, right? ETFs and ETNs in here. This is a list of different securities that you can trade an extra 15 minutes after the market closes. So that's already pretty cool that you can trade certain ETFs and certain ETNs after the market closes, an extra 15 minutes after the market closes. This has been around for a while. So if you weren't aware of this, there are certain securities that have late close options. Now make sure you read this section here too, because it's important. Now a while back, Robinhood introduced index options. So we got to talk about index options here now. So index options, and we can type in here index options, and again we'll get a button here that we can click. So here's our list of index options. There's 7 of them so far. So an index option is a unique type of option with its value derived from broad-based market indices rather than individual stocks or ETFs. So you take a quick look here. right? There's a couple of differences when it comes to index options. So you can't buy shares of an index, which means index options are cash only settlements, as you can see here. So for example, this means if you sell a put, there is no assignment of 100 shares. All settlements will be cash only. Some other differences include there's no early exercise or assignment. There's different tax rules, which are actually most of the time beneficial. For example, no matter how long you hold the trade, even if you only hold it for 30 seconds, your profits are taxed at 60% at the long-term capital gains rate, and 40% is taxed at your short-term capital gains rate. And what we actually want to talk about here today, though, is trading hours. So notice here, trading hours and expiration differ from equity and ETF options. So up until now, index options were the same as late close options, in the sense that you can trade them an extra 15 minutes after the market closes. However, that just changed this week, and this is what we want to talk about here today. So I received this email earlier this week. So as you can see, 6 days ago, or last week, January 26th, 6 days ago, extended trading hours for index options. So extended hours are here. Trade selects index options outside standard hours. So let's take a look here at what this says. So you can now trade select index options for an extra 45 minutes after market close, either in the app or on Robinhood Legend. Trade SPX, which is the S&P 500 index, VIX, which is the volatility index or the fear index, and XSP. So XSP is basically going to be 1-for-1 with SPY, almost identical in price with SPY. Outside market, standard market hours from 4:15 to 5 p.m. Eastern time on regular trading days. So this means that these three right here, you can now trade them 1 full hour after the market closes. So for example, we can't trade Nvidia anymore, options that expire that day or any day after the market closes. But with these, we can trade 1 full hour after the market closes. So whenever something hits the market right after it closes, this is how you can potentially capitalize on it. And so if you go back to Robinhood here, let's, for example, click on XSP, so the S&P 500 mini index. So like I mentioned, this is going to be basically almost 1-for-1 with SPY, almost the same share price here as SPY here, or same price, because again, this doesn't control any shares here. You can't buy shares of this. But you can see here now at the bottom, options extended hours. So that's how you know that this one you can trade 1 full hour after the market closes. If we take a look at one that doesn't qualify for that, for example, NDX, the NASDAQ 100 index, you'll see that this doesn't have that extended message here. However, remember, these other index options, you can still trade 15 minutes, an extra 15 minutes after the market closes. But with those other three, now you have a full hour after the market closes that you can trade them. So you can trade SPX, which is the S&P 500 index, a full 1 hour after the market closes. And so we go back here just to clarify this here, trading hours. So trading hours for index options trading only on SPX, VIX, and XSP are extended now until 5 p.m. Eastern time. So these are the hours, or this 1:15 p.m. Eastern time for half days. And then the trading hours for all other index options are 9:30 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. Eastern time, or this for half days. So there you guys have it. You can now trade these three a full 1 hour after the market closes. I'm sure that they'll start extending this to other index options. maybe 2 regular options as well in the future. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, a link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys next time.